technology that it's got is irrelevant if it doesn't work in the environment in which I drive.
Charging on long trips is the most concerning thing.
An electric vehicle gives the same excitement for petrol engine.
It's just effortless and it's like nothing I've ever experienced before.
It felt easy to handle, easy to drive. 5-hour drive felt like about 45 minutes.
To have such power and performance when there's no noise associated with it. It's quite a surreal experience.
It's entirely possible to have an electric car, to live regionally and to do a lot of Ks.
I could definitely see myself driving a Tesla.
It's definitely the future of motoring.